Hello guys, welcome back to US Quiz Pop. Can you guess all 30 European countries by their flag? Only true quiz masters can get them all right. Let's begin. Guess the country by the flag. Answer is France. Guess the country by the flag. Answer is Germany. Guess the country by the flag. Answer is Italy. Guess the country by the flag. Answer is Spain. Guess the country by the flag. Answer is Portugal. Guess the country by the flag. Answer is Netherlands. Guess the country by the flag. Answer is Belgium. Guess the country by the flag. Answer is Switzerland. Guess the country by the flag. Answer is Austria. Guess the country by the flag. Answer is Poland. Guess the country by the flag. Answer is Sweden. Guess the country by the flag. Answer is Norway. Guess the country by the flag. Answer is Denmark. Guess the country by the flag. Answer is Finland. Guess the country by the flag. Answer is Ireland. Guess the country by the flag. Answer is Iceland. Guess the country by the flag. Answer is Greece. Guess the country by the flag. Answer is Hungary. Guess the country by the flag. Answer is Czech Republic. Guess the country by the flag. Answer is Slovakia. Guess the country by the flag. Answer is Romania. Guess the country by the flag. Answer is Bulgaria. Guess the country by the flag. Answer is Croatia. Guess the country by the flag. Answer is Serbia. Guess the country by the flag. Answer is Slovenia. Guess the country by the flag. Answer is Estonia. Guess the country by the flag. Answer is Latvia. Guess the country by the flag. Answer is Lithuania. Guess the country by the flag. Answer is Albania. Guess the country by the flag. Answer is North America. How many did you get right? Comment your score below. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more fun quiz.